Stop popping those pimples. Let's handle them the smart way. Here's how to say goodbye to breakouts naturally. First things first, what exactly are pimples? They're not just random spots of rebellion on your skin. They're actually small inflammations of the skin. Pores get clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and sometimes bacteria, which leads to swelling, redness, and that notorious whitehead. But don't worry, there's a natural fix for these pesky invaders. Start by washing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. This keeps the excess oil and dead skin at bay without overdrying your skin. Next, a dab of tea tree oil can work wonders. It's a natural antibacterial that reduces swelling and calms redness. And don't forget, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water and maintaining a balanced diet helps your skin heal from the inside out. Fast, simple, and all natural. Say hello to clearer skin